Ever thought learning softball could be this fun? Dive into a world where every roll of the die brings laughter and learning. This isn't just a game, it's a softball adventure in a box, perfect for family bonding. Softball Dice is a fast paced, interactive board game that brings the excitement of the ball field to your tabletop. Players roll 10-sided dice to simulate real softball action, triples, strikeouts, home runs, and more, while learning the fundamentals of the game. Perfect for players of all ages. Roll the unique 10-sided die and experience the thrill of singles, doubles, and even strikeouts. Each roll adds a twist, making every game unique and exciting. Learn softball positions and strategies with every turn. Feel the thrill as you roll for a triple, strikeout, or even a home run. This isn't just a game, it's a fast-paced, interactive journey into the fundamentals of softball. And here's the twist. Every play is powered by a roll of the dice, 10-sided dice to be exact, adding excitement and unpredictability to every turn. It's hands-on learning that keeps players engaged, energized, and always ready for the next pitch. With simplified rules, you can start playing in minutes. Perfect for young players eager to grasp softball concepts quickly. It's a great gift for softball fans and board game enthusiasts alike. Ready to roll the dice?